Good day, people. What's up? It's the boy Mario here, and you're live on Bright Future Stars TV. You know, this week's episode is a very, very special episode for you. Like, let's see it, right? Alright, no, easy. We're not gonna talk about this soon, so let's do it. Alright, so anyways, yeah. You know, the other day, I was like sitting around on the computer and like my father was fixing up the snacks for the kids to go to school, right? And like he took out some of the snacks from out of this bag for my little brother Dante. So after he did this now, Dante came back in the room and saw a little amount of snacks in the bag and he angry now, so he fling it down because I never want it no more, but I have proof of this. So you're not going to hear me just talk about it anymore. So anyway, let's watch the clip and see what happens. Pack your snack you before the remaining go left here.
This one mine. This one mine. Off your
That was funny, right? Don't you think that would be cool if that was a song? I think it would be cool.
This one mine. Off your This one mine. Off your This one mine.
Okay people, thank you for watching this week's episode. Please like this video, comment, tell me how you feel about this video. Tell me if you have any ideas for next week. Also follow me on Twitter, like my Facebook page, and subscribe. See you all next week again.
Yes, nice you. Subscribe.